What's up guys? In today's video, I want to show you how to take a boring shot like this and with a few small changes create a shot like this. Okay, there are many things you can do to make a video interesting. However, for this shot, I did 4 specific things that I felt helped enhance or add value to the shot. These 4 things are camera movement and shooting lower, decorating the background, adding something to the foreground, and I use a small RGB light to fill in the shadows. To make the shot more dynamic, I chose to handhold the camera and I pushed in towards the robot. On a few of the shots, I placed the camera lower, which helped hide some of the distractions in the background and made the robot look bigger. The second area that needed a little was the boring background. The blinds are very distracting, so I added a houseplant behind the robot. This change seemed to impact the close-up shots the most, yet it helped the wide shots as well. I could have left well enough alone with adding the plant, but I had these
Get your shit together!
I had these RGB lights hanging around that are always great to help decorate the background, so I used them.
I smell your lightsaber.
Lightsaber?
I opted to add a plant to the foreground of the shot because when sliding, I have found that anything in the foreground makes the move look bigger than it really is. So for that cinematic look, adding something to the foreground I think is one of the most impactful things you could do. The last little piece that I added to the shot was another RGB light to the left of the figure or robot to fill in the shadows from the main key light. I did put in a little bit of work in post. With a simple color correction, I did fix the crooked handheld shots using the Horizon tool in Final Cut Pro, and I added some speed ramps and music and profit. So in summary, adding camera movement and a backlight to the background are great ways to spice up a boring scene. When you add in some music, speed ramps, and keyframe trickery, the production value goes up big time. What really comes in clutch though, I think, is the movement with something in the foreground. I used this a ton on a recent much needed vacation to Costa Rica. All right, dudes and dudettes, that about covers it. Y'all stay creative. I'm out.